What's going on, guys? What's up? Welcome back to another video. And I tried to test fit some wheels, didn't work. I'm gonna show them later in the video. But right now we're gonna install my rain guards. They came in the mail, and I'm about to show you. This is a little hard to do with one hand, but bear with me. Here goes one. And excuse the mess in the trunk. You know what? Good idea. All the rain guards, first thing I did was wipe down the sides so my car's dirty. Make sure they're clean. And now I'll basically just find which one goes where. Take the 3M tape off and put it on. But since I'm doing this by myself, I'm come back to you when it's put in. But yeah, time to put the rain guards on. This is how they looking right now. I don't like the fact that it's a little short. That gap right there really bothers me. But can't complain. They're gonna do what they need to do. But soon I'm gonna need to order new ones. That's it, guys. No buds, no nothing. New ones coming soon. One more walk around. And I know I said I was gonna show you the wheels. Ooh. And here they are. Little 3 pieces. I see the vibes. What's going on, guys? Just dropped the car off at Unico. Sorry for that. The sun is just in my eyes. It's not beaming, but it's beaming. But yeah, the car's about to get washed because it's highly needed. And then that'll be it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's a short video. It's just me putting on my window rain guards or whatever the fuck they're called. And I tried the wheels on, and my studs are too short. So I either gotta get spaces, but it's gonna poke out too much, or get longer studs. But let's see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. Just hit that like button. You have to. You just have to. Peace.